This is my latest update. Now, right in front of you is my finally completed wishing machine project. Now, this is just a pyramid, a black hematite pyramid. And over here today I placed a clear plastic acrylic sheet here. Now, when I ordered that brass sheet from the Chinese sellers on eBay, I asked for a 2mm thick one. They didn't send me a 2mm thick one, they sent me a thinner one, but I used that anyhow. So there's a small gap between that and the plate there. So it's all finished. So tonight I'm going to test it out. First I'll put my photographic driver's license on the copper witness plate. That represents myself, it's got my picture on it. Then the thing I want to change, I'll put my lotto tickets there. And what I want to win out of it, I'll put some change on top of that. I don't have any notes at the moment, so I'll put some $2 coins on top of there. And then I'll adjust one dial at a time until I get a stick reaction on the stick plate while I'm rubbing my fingers gently there, my right hand. So if you're right-handed, you use your right hand on the rubbing plate and your left hand to adjust the dials. If you're left-handed, then you do the opposite, you know. So I'm going to adjust the dials one by one, try and get a stick reaction if I get any. And after that, I just leave it sitting here and see what happens there. So I'm going to do a test tonight in here. So this is my finished project here. I've got 4 little silver screws here holding the acrylic plate down over the top of the brass rubbing plate there, okay? Now I can change that to a core later on if I choose to, but I'll just leave it like it is for the time being and see how it goes. Okay, thank you for watching my latest update.